Good morning everybody. Buenos días a todos. صباح الخير جميعا. Welcome to my piece of haven. This is my every morning's routine with my birds. That is my own work, yes, and with my plants, and that's what I do every morning. I take my morning coffee, relax, and then I get ready for the work and to face whatever challenge the day is as well placed for me. However, today's topic is not about my birds. It's about a seating area that I've done for a very good neighbor of mine. It's a low-level seating area, like what we call an Arabic seating area, with a nice table, some designs on the wall, some designs for plant holders and stuff, which I will show you. For those who haven't subscribed on YouTube yet, guys, Rafeh company, very easy. You'll see this logo, hit subscribe, okay, and then you will see this bell over here, which gives you the notification for every latest video. You'll get a notification that I've posted a new video, that you can go and watch every video every time I post it. I hope you enjoyed this video. Happy watching, guys. Cheers and a very good morning to you all.
I'm a dangerous man with some money in my pocket. Keep up. So many pretty girls around me and they're waking up the rocket. Keep up. Why you mad? Fix your face. Ain't my fault they all be jocking. Keep up. Players only. Come on, put your pinky rings up to the moon. Girls, what y'all trying to do? 24 karat magic in the air. Hustlers, gangsters, bad bitches.